Good morning, aspirants. Today's news. Auction of Mars meteorite sparks debate on ownership. Comes under GS3, Science and Technology. Nature investigate 5.3 million Mars meteorite action, alleging illicit trafficking and amid ownership debate and ethical concern. A 25 kilogram Martian meteorite NWA 16788 was auctioned for 5.3 million. The meteorite, the largest Martian meteorite found on Earth, was discovered in Sahara Desert in Niger, November 2023. The government of Niger has launched an investigation into auction suspecting illicit international trafficking. The Niger has suspended exports of precious stones and meteorites. Types of Martian meteorite: Syracuse, volcanic rocks most common. Nachilites, rich in augite, a type of pyroxene mineral. Chessinginates, rare, made mostly of olivine. Together, they are often called SNC meteorites. Rarity: fewer than 400 confirmed Martian meteorites are known as of 2025. That's less than 0.5% of all meteorites discovered on Earth. Most are found in deserts that were Sahara, Antarctica, where the dark rocks are easier to spot. Scientific importance: provide direct samples of Mars without needing space mission. Help scientists to study Mars geology, volcanic history, and water activity. Famous Martian meteorites: NWA 16788, Nakla, Egypt, found in Egypt 1911, Sherogoti, India 1865, the first recognized Martian meteorite. Allen Hills 84001 in Antarctica 1984. Ethanol blending faces vehicle compatibility concerns. Ethanol blending faces. Indian government aims for 20% of ethanol blending in petrol by 2025 to cut emission and reduce dependence on foreign oil. E20 compatible vehicles were introduced in April 2025, raising concern about impact on older vehicle and maintenance cost. Ethanol, a biofuel made from plant waste, such as act as an oxygenate in petrol blend for better combustion. Ethanol blending program involves mixing of ethanol, usually from sugarcane, maize, rice, damaged food grains, with petrol. Objective is to reduce dependency on imported crude oil, cut pollution, and support farmers. Benefits of ethanol blending: saves foreign exchange, environmental concerns will be addressed, strategic, enhances the energy security. UNEP's sixth attempt to forge a global plastic pollution treaty faces resistance. UNEP, since 2022, to create a treaty addressing plastic pollution. India generates about 3.4 million tons of plastic waste annually, recycling only 30%. Globally, over 430 million tons of plastic are produced yearly, with two-thirds becoming waste. In 2019, plastic production contributed to 1.8 billion metric tons of greenhouse gas emission, about 3.4% of global total. United Nations Environment Program established 5 June 1972 after Stockholm Conference on Human Environment. Headquarters are Nairobi, Kenya. Current executive directors: Ininger Anderson. Key initiatives of UNEP were Montreal Protocol, concerns of ozone layer will be addressed, Minamata Convention, mercury reduction. UNEP Finance Initiative promotes green investment, Clean Seas campaign against marine plastic pollution, Billion Tree campaign decade on US restoration. India aims for lunar landing by 2040. India aims for lunar landing by 2040. Bharat Antariksha Station by 2035 and Gaganyaan 2070. Okay. Union Minister Jatendra Singh announced these plans during Lok Sabha discussion on astronaut Subhanashu Shukla. Vyomitra, India's humanoid robot Vyoma, means Space Mitra friend, a female-looking humanoid robot developed by ISRO, designed to stimulate human functions and assist in space mission. Purpose: part of Gaganyaan mission. Fly will fly in uncrewed testing flights. Function as a precursor astronauts to ensure safety work system work. Gaganyaan mission, India's first human space flight program, announced in August 2018 by PM Narendra Modi on Independence Day. Implementing agency is ISRO. Objective to send 3 Indian astronauts. Please practice this mark question. Thank you.